What is up, traders? Welcome back. Today's video is gonna be a little different. I actually recorded my trades today, and I actually want to do my commentary on it, kind of like my thought process, and kind of explain what I was thinking, what I was doing, what I was looking for, and hopefully I can do more of these videos. I mean, sometimes I forget to press record button, but I'll try to do my best to kind of moving forward to kind of record my trades and kind of give you like almost like a not a really live commentary, but post commentary, so to speak. But anyways, we have a first trade coming up here shortly, but overnight we had a range, and we kind of have like a failed breakout of the range. We do have a break new lower in place, so technically speaking, I should not be looking for shorts, but I saw that we have some kind of resistance here, and I was playing the triple test, and you know, I think the triple test should have been, was it 4 candles before that very bearish candle with a test of the lows. But I figured, hey, like, you know, we have a strong resistance there, and I was trying to be sneaky and get ahead of the market, which is never a good thing. And I extrapolated a engulfing bar, and we're in a trade right now. So sometimes I do use buy ask and sell ask orders to get a better price. Not always, but sometimes. But yeah, the trade here was basically, like I said, multiple tests of resistance, and honestly speaking, I should have waited for the bar to close and then go from there instead of rushing the trade. And this is definitely one of those rush trades. I did like it because the EMA was holding the price at the time, and you will clearly see that the price actually did bounce off my my order, my target profit, I should say, and the price has to tick through the target profit to get a fill. But a little bit unfortunate, but it's okay. The risk was minimal, and like I said, I was okay with it. There was no harm, no foul type of thing. But yeah, break new lower in place, so technically I should not be looking for long or shorts, but like I said, I like the risk. So you clearly see it here in a second that the price bounces off my order and it reverses. So yeah, a little bit unfortunate, but that's okay. I'm gonna speed through this real quickly, and then I'll go to the next one. So my second trade of the day was second entry long, and we clearly see we have a big push up. I mean, that's a strong push up to the top of the range, and we have a basically second entry long setting up here in a second. Now, the reason I like this trade is that the EMA was holding the price, and the signal bar was very bullish. I mean, I really liked the signal bar, and I also got a good entry on it too. Basically a tick cheaper, and I did use a limit order on this one. But you can clearly see I was looking for a retest of the highs, and the only thing that I didn't like about it is that the short-term trend channel didn't get a new low. So, but a little bit unfortunate. There is some resistance up there, you can clearly see, but right now I'm just waiting for the second entry to trigger, and there it is. It's triggered. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pop a limit order. I did check the risk, which was fine. It was 1.75. Price came back down, really like that, and I said, you know what, I like this. I'm in it. Like I said, I got a tick better entry, and I'm looking to retest of the highs. So the trade was relatively fast. It only took me like maybe a minute or two. But you can clearly see that what I was doing here, and these were 2 contracts, just because I was trying to make back that loss. And yes, I think we got our, there you go, we got out of the trade, and you'll clearly see later on that the price actually ticked through it and then went above, even further up through that top of the range. But that was trade number 2, and I felt pretty good about it. And let's move on to the third trade. So the final trade of the day was this failed second entry long. And I can clearly see there's a break in new high already in place, 2 legs up, basically a measure move to the tick, and we do have a second entry long failure, rejection at the EMA. So right now what I'm doing is I'm waiting for the price to tick through the candle, and then tick through it and then come back and get me, hopefully. Again, like I said, I'm waiting for the trade to trigger, for the trap to trigger. And I did like the risk as well. It was about, I believe, 1.75, and again, it was 2 contracts, and the only thing is I would like to price to break through that channel and then retest the lows, but since we have the trend line, you can see there's a trend line there working down. Like I said, right now I'm just waiting for the trade to trigger, and it's having a hard time to trigger through the candle. And when I'm just waiting and trying to be patient, and I don't know if I used the limit order in this one, I can't remember. But here we go, price. Okay, so I did use a sell ask. So price did trigger through the candle, and so it did trigger the trade. And when I'm just waiting patiently, I'm not trying to chase the trade. And sometimes these failures or these traps, they go through really fast, and sometimes they don't get filled. So luckily I did get filled on this one, and again my stop loss goes 1 tick above the signal bar. And right now I'm just waiting. It did took a little bit to kind of get my target profit, but I felt pretty good about it. We have plenty of room to the recent lows, and like I said, there's a trend line working through down, break new high of the major trend channel played out, so felt really good. Again, there's always possibility to break through that channel and basically create 2 legs up and then retest the lows, so that was a possibility. But I was playing the high probability here, and basically trapping the longs. Now I did not like how this candle was basically a doji looking candle, the one that's working right now. I was a little bit worried about that, but I said, you know what, I'm just gonna leave it the way it is. Like I said, there's a trend line working down, so hopefully we get some kind of resistance there, which we do. And this trade was, again, relatively fast as well. And like I said, I wasn't trying to go ham today. Last week I had a really bad week, so I just want to take it easy, 1-2 contracts, nothing crazy. And here we go, we got to order our target profit triggered, and we out of the trade. So, but like I said, I wasn't trying to take it easy. I was trying to take it easy, not going to do anything crazy. So, but yeah, that was my trading day. And yeah, hopefully you guys like these kind of videos. I'll show my target profit for the, or my profits for the day. I think it was about 116, I can't remember. And yeah, 117 on the day, so nothing crazy. It was still about $600 off the less than $600 off the target profit. And yeah, hopefully you enjoy this video, and hopefully you guys enjoy this video, and I'll do more of these in upcoming videos. But yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.